Today I'm going to give you a basic intro to DNA. The goal of this video is to explain what DNA stands for, identify where DNA is found in the cell, and describe the major function of DNA. So what does DNA stand for? DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. It's a type of nucleic acid, and nucleic acids are one of the 4 biomolecules we've previously discussed. Those biomolecules were carbohydrates, proteins, lipids, and nucleic acids. DNA is found in every cell of all living organisms. So this would be cells in animals, plants, fungi, protists, and bacteria. Every one of them has DNA in their cells. So within a cell, where is DNA found? In eukaryotes, like plants and animals, the majority of DNA is found in the nucleus of the cell. There's also a small amount of DNA in the mitochondria and the chloroplast. We've talked previously about the mitochondria and chloroplast. The mitochondria played an important role in cellular respiration, and the chloroplast played an important role in photosynthesis. So each of those organelles has DNA inside of it. Within bacteria, the DNA is found in a central region called the nucleoid. So you can see in the center of this cell, this purple kind of looks like a piece of spaghetti. That's the DNA, and all of that is located in this kind of central region. We call that region the nucleoid. Now, what is the function of DNA? Well, DNA stores and transmits genetic information. So what exactly is this information? It's a set of instructions that the cell needs to grow, function, and respond to its environment. So you can think of DNA as a kind of instruction manual. And a cell's set of DNA is called its genome. We'll finish up by talking about how DNA is packaged inside of a cell. So if the DNA in a single human cell was unwound, it would be about 2 yards long. So I have a yardstick right here on the left. If you took 2 yardsticks, that's about how long the DNA would be inside just one of your cells. And keep in mind, you have trillions of cells in your body. Now, the long DNA molecules to fit inside a tiny little cell have to be tightly packaged in an organized way. Otherwise, they couldn't fit in the nucleus. So the long DNA molecules are tightly packaged in an organized way so that they can fit in the nucleus. And histone proteins play an important part here. So in this picture, I have a piece of DNA. When that DNA is wrapped around these types of proteins called histone proteins, you can then package it, kind of wind it up to make what's called a chromosome. And the set of chromosomes fit inside the nucleus. So here's another picture where you can see this. Here's a long strand of DNA. It's going to be wrapped around those proteins and placed in the form of a chromosome. And inside the nucleus, you're going to have all of those chromosomes. Now, humans have 46 chromosomes inside one nucleus, inside their cell. But organisms can differ in how many chromosomes they have inside the nucleus.